Namaskar, my friend, and welcome. Today, one big, honest lesson. What is this thing called AI that everyone is talking about? No robots taking over the world, no scary jargon. Just chai, a chalkboard, and simple truth. By the end, you will understand AI better than most people who use it every day. Chalo, let us begin. First, let us kill the biggest myth. When we hear AI, our mind pictures a shiny metal robot with glowing eyes, plotting something. Forget that completely. Real AI has no body, no feelings, and no secret plans. It is simply software, clever mathematics running quietly on a computer. Nothing more mysterious than that. So what does this software actually do? One thing, mainly. It looks at huge piles of past data, it spots the pattern hiding inside, and then it makes a prediction about something new. That is the whole heart of AI, find the pattern, then guess what comes next. Simple idea, enormous power. And here is the surprise, you are already using it all day long. When maps find you the fastest route, that is AI. When your email quietly hides the spam, that is AI. When an app suggests the next song or video, again AI. It has been your silent helper for years. You just never called it by name. Now, how does the software get so clever? Through something we call training. We feed it mountains and mountains of examples. It studies them again and again, and slowly it keeps the useful patterns inside. That starting stage is training, like a student poring over years of old exam papers before the big test. But notice, nobody sits down and writes it rules like, a cat has whiskers, 4 legs, and a tail. No. We just show it a million pictures of cats, and it forms its own quiet sense of what catness looks like. It learns from examples, the way a child learns a face long before they can describe it. Now, one honest and important truth. When I say it learns, I do not mean it understands the way you and I do. It feels nothing. It grasps no meaning. It is really just counting statistics, noticing what usually goes with what. It predicts the likely answer. It does not truly know. Please keep this quietly in your mind for the rest of the lesson. Now to the famous one, ChatGPT and its cousins, the large language models. They feel like magic. But underneath, there is really just one trick. Give it, the chai is very, and it simply predicts the most likely next word. Hot? That is it. A very, very good guesser of the next word. And it does this one word at a time. It guesses a word, adds it to the sentence, then looks again and guesses the next. Word, like a train adding one coach at a time. Do that fast enough, thousands of times, and out comes a smooth, fluent paragraph that feels human. But it is still just guessing, step by step. And this explains its most famous flaw. Because it only guesses fluent-sounding words, it can sound absolutely confident and still be completely wrong. It may happily invent a fact, a name, a quote that never existed. We call this a hallucination. Remember, it is chasing words that sound right, not facts that are right. A smooth talker is not always a truth teller. So let us be fair and balanced. What is it genuinely brilliant at? Drafting emails and first drafts. Summarizing long, boring documents in seconds. Translating between languages. Helping you with code, and throwing out fresh ideas when you are stuck. Anything to do with shaping language, It is a wonderful helper. A tireless assistant who never gets tired of your requests. But now, the honest other side. It is shaky on hard facts and fresh news. It fumbles exact maths and simple counting. It cannot truly reason step by step the way we imagine. And because it learned from human writing, it can quietly carry human bias too. It has no eyes and no hands in the real world, it only knows the text it was fed. So hold both sides on the scale at once. Enormous power on one pan, real limits on the other. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not magic, and it is not a wise all-knowing sage. The people who get the most from it are the ones who see both pans clearly and never forget either one. So how do you actually use it well in daily life? First, ask clearly and give it context. A lazy request like, write about marketing, gives you lazy mush. But tell it who you are, what you need, and how long. Write 3 Instagram captions for my small chai stall in Pune, and suddenly it becomes genuinely useful. The clearer your question, the better its answer. Second, and please write this on your heart, always verify what matters. If it hands you a fact, a name, a number, a date that truly counts, check it yourself before you trust it. Use it freely for drafts and ideas, where a small mistake is harmless. But for anything important, you are the final judge, not the machine. So treat it as a co-pilot, never as an oracle. It sits beside you and suggests, but you keep both hands on the steering wheel. You decide, you correct, and you own the final result. Used this way, AI does not replace your thinking, it gives your thinking a very fast, very willing helper. And where is all this going? Today, AI mostly lives in a chat box you visit. Tomorrow, it will quietly sit inside almost every app and tool you touch, like electricity, invisible but everywhere. No need to fear it. But the people who thrive will be the ones who calmly learn to use it well. Not the fastest, not the smartest, simply the ones who are not afraid to learn. So keep climbing, one small step at a time. Just try it. Then use it a little every day. Then learn how it truly works. And one fine day, you will build your very own things with it. Every expert you admire started exactly where you are right now, curious and willing to begin. So, my dear student, let us tie the whole thread together, the way your old school master always does. 1. AI is not a robot. It is simply software that finds patterns in data and makes predictions. You already use it in maps, in email, and in your favorite apps every single day. 2. It learns from millions of examples, not from written rules. And a chatbot only predicts the next word, again and again. It can sound sure and still be wrong, so always verify what truly matters. 3. It is a powerful helper with real limits. Ask it clearly, give it context, check the important facts, and treat it as your co-pilot. You stay the boss. You stay the thinker. And that is AI, in plain and honest words. This is the beginning, not the end. If you would like to go deeper, properly, step by step, and free, come and learn with us at AI Academy. The link is below, and the first lessons cost you nothing. Till then, keep your curiosity bigger than your fear. Chalo! AI Academy. By Concept Good.